So today we're going to talk about the biggest organ of the body, skin. We may think that organs are internal, but surprisingly, skin or the integumentary system is the exceptional, external, and the largest organ. The skin function is to vitamin D synthesis, protection of the internal from bacteria, thermoregulation, and sensation. So integumentary system consists of 4 layers. The epidermis layer, the dermis, and the subcutaneous layer. So the top layer of the skin is the epidermis. If you get a tattoo, it will go underneath the epidermis, so the ink will last longer. So zooming in the epidermis layer. So the epidermis layer have 4 layers or stratas. So the most bottom is the stratum basal. The stratum basal is the innermost layer of the epidermis that sits on top of the basement of the membrane. This layer contains small round cells that called basal cell. This is where mitosis occurs, and is create new cell at the bottom here, pushing the outer shell into the outermost epidermal layer that new cells are produced. The stratum basal also houses melanocytes, the pigment producing cell that gives skin its color. So the next layer is the stratum spinosum. Specific immune cells called Langerhans cells are also present in stratum spinosum. These cells help detect invading pathogen and initiate an immune response. And the next one will be stratum granulosum. Is the granular layer of the epidermis. Here, keratinocytes and the stratum granulosum also begin in production of keratin, which will eventually fill the entire cell. The next layer will be stratum corneum, is the outermost layer of the epidermis. Here, keratinocyte so the stratum, the outermost layer of the epidermis comprised of that keratinocyte called corneocyte that skin intact, flexible, and serve as physical and water retaining barrier. This layer is continuously replaced by new cell. Below the epidermis layer is the dermis layer, is the skin thickest layer. It's filled with a matrix of collagen and elastin protein that provide support, flexibility, and resilience, as well as several functional structures. The dermis contains nerves ending, like look at these nerves, vein, capillary, artery, and then the sweat glands. This is where the sweat gland will be. Oil glands, or sebaceous oil glands have follicles, blood vessel here, and lymphatic glands around here. And the next layer will be subcutaneous layer or hypodermis. It's a layer of fat and connective tissue below the dermis. This layer helps insulate and protect the internal organ and also store fat for future use. So remember that integumentary system have 4 functions: is vitamin D synthesis, protection from bacteria, thermoregulation, and sensation. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.